Everyone, this is me Satya here, and I'm doing your first week of February 2021 reading. This is going to be for the sign of Capricorn. Let's see what is coming up for you guys for this week time. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading, but no charms will be added, so stay tuned. And now, while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. Always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So let's see, Capricorns, what is coming up for you for the week which has already started. Let's begin. Capricorn, Page of Pentacles. I do see some sort of communication coming from a distant land. It doesn't have to be far off distant land. It can be, maybe some hours drive away or something. But I do see some sort of message, news coming from a distant land for you. The news is going to bring you some sort of stability in your life. This news is going to make you feel positive. This message is going to make you feel good. It can be a job opportunity. It can be a message from somebody that you were waiting for to receive, or it can be something related to that as well. For some of you, it could be approval of some sort of a job, or some sort of a some sort of good news regarding your legal matters as well. But it's going to make you feel good. Let's see more cards here. Seven of Swords. There is a strong chance of you making a U-turn. I don't know who is sending you a message this week time, but maybe you will be, let me give you an example here. If you are, if you have, applied at two different spots for job, you got job somewhere while you were waiting for this job, but you accepted the other one because they never, messaged you. Now, as you receive the message from them or some sort of confirmation of your job from them, you're going to make a U-turn towards them. But don't do that, because I do see you making a U-turn after choosing them as well. So maybe there is something fishy around this offer, this message that you would be receiving. You would feel that, it is a stable offer. I should continue. I should consider. I should do this. I should do that. But there is something fishy. Make sure you know all before you make any decision around this offer, this message that you're going to receive. Be careful with the spam thing happening, because I do see that this offer is going to make you very happy. This message is going to make you feel excited. Oh my god, I got something good. I got something this and that. But there would be some sort of trickery is what I'm picking up. So just be careful with that. Let's see more cards here. Capricorns, the Emperor. For Wands. What is it? Wow. If it applies to your love life situation, I do see that maybe you have accepted an offer of someone, and as you do that, somebody from the past is going to come back, which is going to make you go back to the past person. That would be a wrong decision. Go with the one that is new for majority of you, because it's a general reading. It applies, maybe it's going to be like, maybe it's going to happen for everyone out there, but maybe for some of you the past person is not going to be good. For others of you, maybe it would be. So always get a personal reading before you make any major decision of your life. But yes, I do see that you have chosen a new offer already. You have been with a new person already, or you will be in a new, accepting a new person, or their offer, and you would be happy, you would be feeling good about it. But then comes the past person, which is going to make you confused, which is going to make you feel like going back to the past person. But stick to the stick to the new person, because I do see that there is a strong possibility if you take a U-turn, you will be taking a U-turn back to the same, the person that you are with. So I do see that there is going to be like a choice between two people that you will be having during this week time. Two people, two jobs, two opportunities is what I'm picking up. So make sure you choose wisely, because I do see that you have a strong chance of making a U-turn there. I feel like, one person is stable, one person is your passion. So it's that kind of a thing. You have to choose whether you want to choose the love of your life, or the person who loved. It's more of that situation where, there is one person who is offering you commitment, stability, and everything, and then there is the person that you loved. So you have strong passion pull for that past person, but the new person is more stable here. Like, the energies of the new person is more stable. They are very, committed kind of a person. They are ready to, or they promising future with you. They're promising happy life with you. But the past person might not be good for everyone. Let's see more cards here. For some of you, I do see you choosing past person. For very few of you, I do see you staying single. You're not gonna choose either one of them. You're just gonna feel like, okay, I don't want to get into this drama. I'm better on my own. Um, but for majority of you, I do see that, if you go back to the past person, you will be ending up getting single again. Be careful with that. Make your love life choice very thoughtful. Just think about it, who you are giving your time and energy to. New person, past person. If the past person is ready to commit to you, then only give them a chance. If they are not, if they are, keeping it open still, don't give that a chance, because it's going to make you regret that. Because I do see you coming back to the one that you are with. Victim, you're gonna feel like, oh my god, I got, like, I was like, don't do that. I mean, you have the power, you are the one choosing past or new. Don't feel like, oh my god, this person tricked me again and stuff. Nobody's tricking you here. It's more of your own fault there, or your passion led you towards, the situation. So make sure you think wisely before you take any decision. Isolation, the same cards came up for for the other sign as well. But yeah, for some of you, I do see that, if something bad happens that way, you're gonna go in isolation, because you're gonna feel bad. You're gonna stay single. You're gonna feel like, oh my god, love is bullshit. So just be sure that you don't do that to yourself. Nobody else is gonna do that to you until unless you make a wrong choice there. So yeah, whatever happens, even if you make a wrong choice, just pull yourself out of the situation where you're thinking bad about love and all. You can always try your luck in love once you are healed again. So let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. Affirmations will help. Whatever you want, make some affirmations around it and keep repeating those affirmations till it becomes your new instilled belief in your subconscious. You can also purchase my affirmations if you want. I do offer spiritually charged and the other affirmations as well. Check the description box for further details on that. Third party situation. I do see that love triangle here for sure. Okay, then we do have release the pain. Feed the birds. Feeding birds is also going to ease the situation up for you as well. Whatever the current circumstances are or will be in the first week time, make sure you don't get yourself in a situation where you then start blaming the other person or the relationship. I mean, you are, it's my choice. Like, if I get two people to choose from, I'm the one who's choosing here. So I cannot blame the other person for being the wrong person that I chose. Like, it's my choice. It's my, decision. Own your decision, even if it is a wrong decision that you're taking right now. Own that, learn from it, and never repeat the same mistake that you did in the past. So make sure you think wisely before you before you choose either one of them. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for the first week time. If the reading resonated with you, do like, share, and subscribe. And if you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.